nature, I beg. Always nature is stronger, in anyone stronger than man. Always man should preserve it, forever and ever they live. Samson was weaker, not stronger than nature. Gravity made him lie all the night, fever made him shiver, anger made him surrender. Till dawn, cause he was a lover, never did he control temper. Oh, nature is stronger. God should be perfect, God must be perfect, God must be perfect. Historical rock of ages, gravity saw him ascend. He raised the dead back to life. What kind of man is this, who makes the lame to walk? Alpha opposes nature, Omega is stronger than nature. Omega is stronger than nature. Alpha opposes nature. Facts are stubborn things to tell, created once and never again. Man cut down no more trees unless prepared to inhale CO2. High temperatures vaporize water. Think of thirst and have mercy. Then always preserve nature. Forever and ever we shall live. Nature is stronger, in anyone stronger than man. Always man should preserve it, forever and ever.